Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to make an invoice in Excel using a template. Whether you're a freelancer, a small business owner, or just someone who needs to send out professional invoices, Excel makes it super easy with ready-made templates. Let's get started. First, open Microsoft Excel on your computer. When it launches, you'll see the document gallery with a few template suggestions at the top. Just below those suggestions, click on the More Templates button to open the full template gallery. Once you're in the gallery, go to the search bar at the top and type in Invoice. You'll see a collection of invoice templates appear. Browse through the designs and choose one that fits your needs. When you find the perfect one, click on it and then select Create to open it in Excel. Now that your template is open, it's time to customize it with your own details. Each section of the invoice will include sample text to help guide you. Replace those placeholders with your own business name, address, and contact details. You can also add your company logo to make it look more professional. Next, fill in your client's name and contact information, followed by the invoice number, invoice date, and due date. Make sure your invoice clearly lists all the goods or services you're charging for. Include descriptions, quantities, prices, and a subtotal. Then add any taxes or discounts if needed, and show the total amount due. Finally, include your payment terms and any additional notes or conditions at the bottom. Once you finish customizing your invoice, go to the File menu and select Save As. To make sure your client receives a professional and secure copy, it's best to save the file as a PDF. This prevents anyone from accidentally editing it and ensures it looks the same on every device. And that's it! Your invoice is now complete and ready to be sent out. You can email it directly to your client or print and fax it if you prefer. It's quick, professional, and completely customizable right inside Excel. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more easy tech and productivity guides, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.